Team Pinoy senatorial candidates took their campaign sorties to Quezon Province. Among those who joined the trip were re-electionist Senators Loren Legarda and Jambi Madrigal. Jackie Sai with the details.
Senator Loren Legarda felt overwhelmed after remaining at the top in the latest SWS survey for the 2013 midterm elections. Legarda said she has to all the more show the people her capability is to work harder if she is re-elected to the Senate. Legarda also urged voters to support the other Team Pinoy candidates.
I'm grateful to the Filipino people. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa taong bayan at patuloy akong magtrabaho at lalo akong inspirado na ipatupad ang aking mga batas na nakakatulong sa taong bayan, lalo na yung aking Senior Citizens Law, yung aking Universal Health Care, yung aking pagbibigay ng scholarship sa bawat mahirap na pamilyang Pilipino.
In Team Pinoy's campaign sortie in Quezon Province, former Senator Jambi Madrigal vowed to push for legislation that will protect farmers. Jambi also said that the Coco Levy Fund should benefit coconut farmers.
Meron siya yung Dualhati Foundation, naimbestigahan na yun ng Senado na marami rin mga pondo pumupunta dyan. Ang importante kasi na yung PDAF o yung pondo ng gobyerno, maibigay direkto sa magsasaka at hindi magkaroon ng mga parang in-between.
So ang paniwala po ninyo, marami pa ito na inexistent ngayon?
Dapat magkaroon ng listahan, dapat itong mga foundation na ito ay talagang hindi lang basta pwedeng tumanggap ng pera na ganyan.
For People's Television, Jackie Sai.